Okay, so today I've got my cat Molly here and she's going to help me show you how to check your cat for fleas. Hi, I'm Dr. Alex from ourpetshealth.com, helping you and your pet to live a healthier, happier life. And on this channel we talk about pet health topics to help you and your pet to live a healthier, happier life. So I've recruited Molly here just to show you, with kind of flea season really kicking off in the Northern Hemisphere, how to see if your cat has got fleas, how to check your cat for fleas. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to hold them or have them like this. So it may be that your cat does a runner as well and Molly knows something's up. But what we're going to do is we're going to hold them like this. If you've got someone to help you, then that's obviously going to help. And we're just looking at the depths of their coat towards their skin. So we're just running our fingers from their tail up towards their head, and where we're parting that fur, we're looking for fleas, either little black specks that are moving, or we're looking for flea dirt. And what that is actually flea poop. And that looks like lots of little black dots. If we're seeing lots of little black dots, especially deep down in their coat, then that is a sure sign that there are fleas. And I'm going to show you in just a minute how to be 100% certain that it is flea dirt and not mud or soil or anything like that. So we're going to take our hands. If you've got two hands and or someone to help you, you can use both hands to kind of part their fur and have a look for that. Now, if you don't see any sign of fleas there, or you don't see flea dirt, that doesn't mean that there aren't fleas present. The next thing we can do, especially if your cat is itchy or over grooming, licking themselves a lot, we're going to use a flea comb. So we're going to take the comb and we're going to just run it from their shoulders down towards their tail. And after each pass, we're just going to have a little look, because if there are adult fleas, then they're going to hop off quite quickly. So we might miss them otherwise. So we're just going to give their coat a good brush like that, and we're going to check each time. Now I know that Molly doesn't have fleas because we kind of treat her every month with a product to stop her getting fleas, to stop an infestation developing and to stop a real problem and to keep her happy and itch free. But if you did, then you might see the fleas or the flea dirt on that brush. And I'll just jump to a quick clip now to show you how you can see if that flea dirt or those little black specks are actually flea dirt or just soil. Okay, so here I'm using a flea comb to take a brushing of a cat that I know has got fleas. What I'm then going to do is take a damp piece of toilet paper or kitchen roll or cotton wool, wipe it against the comb, and you'll see the little black specks, which I then rub against the wet area and it goes a rusty red. That's how I know it's flea dirt and not just dirt. If it was dirt, it wouldn't go a rusty red, it would go brown or black. It wouldn't change that colour. So that's how I know that there are fleas present even when I can't see adult fleas. Okay, so I hope that helps you know how to tell if your cat has fleas or not. I would always say if you've got a cat who's over grooming, if they're itching themselves a lot, if they're licking themselves and they're making their coat kind of go bald, if they're bald in patches, you know, there are a number of different causes for that. But if you haven't treated them for fleas, then it's always worth doing that, because there's nothing more frustrating than someone bringing their cat to me and all I'm doing is giving them a flea treatment because I find fleas. So if you can rule that out, you know, that's great. You can save yourself a lot of money and you can also help your vet get to a diagnosis a little bit faster if they keep itching despite having had that flea treatment. Make sure you check out my other videos all about fleas, and if you want to know why I've got this towel out, you'll just have to wait for a video in a few weeks.